Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So we are discussing a topic on computer vision. So let's start. Starts with definition of CV. CV means computer vision. A computer vision having multiple subdomains, subpart of AI, machine learning, and data mining. A combination of AI, machine learning, and data mining that is called computer vision. Last, real backbone of AI. So abbreviation used in this topic, that is AI stand for artificial intelligence, ML stand for machine learning, DM stand for data mining, and CV stand for computer vision. Thank you for watching this video.